Hey guys, I got something interesting to show you today. We got the Gulikit KK3 Pro. Now previously they've sent me the KK3 Max, and it's got these beautiful metal accents and it's got some cool stuff. So I'm interested to see the difference between this guy and this right here. And I actually really like this controller. I think that this is super neat, very comfortable. And I just did a video recently about the controllers that I recommend using with the Steam Deck. And then I guess they saw that and sent me this. So let's open this box up here and see how it is. Now the box is a little bit crushed, but hopefully that doesn't affect the actual controller itself. All right, and inside here, it's pretty much, it seems so far the same. It's got this nice little carrying case that protects the controller. And wow, like that looks like the NES almost. Like it's got a similar vibe to it. And I accidentally turned it on, so it comes with a cable and some instructions and a sticker. All right, so now I'm gonna compare this head to head here. There are things in the back here that we can put these in. All right, let's lay this down in here. I'll use this as like a little jig for holding it. And that's gonna go like that. Is that right? So it only comes with these two. Yeah, this is the KK3 Pro. As you can see, the KK3 Max has these like lever arms, where this only has these, I don't know what you call them, buttons or something. And then this also has these sliders. This is now a digital, like an actual digital click, and it won't go down below that. And then this makes it an analog trigger with a Hall effect sensor. This, on the other hand, doesn't have those lever arms. It has these like nubs, I don't know what you would call them. And then it doesn't have the sliders on the back here. We're gonna open up this box because this box has some of the spare parts from this guy. All right. Now, we got these two nubs here. We're just gonna see if these nubs will go in here. There we go. Okay, cool. I don't know how that's gonna feel. It's not bad. It's not excellent, but it's not bad. Having two sets of these. I like having one. Now the Max came with this little button remover. Hey, look at that. So these buttons are removable. But I'm curious if this is not going to be compatible with that, of course. So this is removable, but if I wanted to replace them, I would need buttons that fit in these other holes, because the A button here is designed to like kind of taper off with this compound curve. So that's not gonna work if I wanted to swap these, but that's okay. I mean, whatevs, right? Now, before we move on, I wanna mention that we're actually doing a giveaway for this over on my website, heavyelement.io/giveaway/KK3. There'll be a link down below. If you sign up for our newsletter, you'll get an extra entry in the giveaway, and you'll also get a heads up on giveaways before anybody else gets them. And conveniently, you can use the giveaway form to also sign up for our newsletter. So thanks and good luck. So let's look at the fit and finish here, because I really like this like brown. It's like an off brown. It's kind of almost the same color as my shirt right now. And it's got these really nice rubberized tips here. And there are metal accents on the thumbstick shaft, which looks really great. The D-pad is black. It's got a kind of a nice matte, maybe eggshell finish to it. And the buttons have like they feel like the NES color scheme, and I love that. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna switch this over to dongle mode. Then we're gonna take this dongle out here. We're gonna put it in my computer. All right, we're gonna plug this into my, you can't really see it, USB hub. I've already got the other one plugged in too. So we're gonna plug that in. And then let's go ahead and start this bad boy up here. I mean, this is a nice little controller. I wish that it came with an extra set of these because it has 4 extra function buttons on the back here, but it only came with 2. Popping them out is pretty easy. You just pop them like that. And I mean, there you go. Bob's your uncle. Yeah, I think that this is pretty nice. I like this controller. So there's a $15 to $20 difference between these two. This is going to be the more expensive one. Obviously, it's got more features. But I am a big fan of both of these. And yeah, if you want to get one of these, there'll be a link in the description. You can pick it up and try it for yourself. If you like this video, maybe check out this video here where I talk about other controllers that you can use for your Steam Deck. It's been really popular and there's been a lot of good feedback on that. That's going to do it for this video though. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.